Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry challenge. So here we have this is nice right triangle in which the length of its sides are y square and y cubed respectively. So here we need to find the value of y. So first you see that this is the right angle triangle. This means that here Pythagoras theorem holds in it. But now first you know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the unknown angle is called the perpendicular side, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base of this triangle. So here we state the Pythagoras theorem as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And now we substitute the values of these three things. So we have the value of hypotenuse is y cubed. So when we put it here, it will becomes y cubed whole square equals to the value of base is y becomes y square, and the value of perpendicular is y square. So this will becomes y square and its whole square. So further in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and now here we use the nice exponential rule. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of m times of n. According to this rule, we multiply both of these two exponents as in this form. This will becomes y to the power of 3 times 2 becomes 6 is equals to, here we have y square plus this is 2 times 2 becomes here 4. And now you see here we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get to y to the power of 6. This is positive y to the power of 4 becomes negative y to the power of 4. This is positive y square becomes negative y square. And now you see that each of these terms involve a y square. So we take common y square from here and we get the remaining values are, when you take common y square from here, we get y to the power of 4, and when we take common y square from here, we get y square, and when we take common y square from here, we get minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write y square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write y to the power of 4 minus y square minus 1 equals to 0. So y square equals to 0 means that here a y square be the perpendicular side of the given triangle. So if y square equals to 0 means perpendicular equals to 0, but this is not possible that the value of any side length of the given triangle is 0. So that we rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And in this case, you see here, this is the fourth order equation, and now first we need to convert this into the quadratic form. And for this we will take here x is equals to y square, and if we take x is equals to y square and further we apply squaring on both of the sides, we get x square is equals to y square and its whole square. And here we get x square is equals to y to the power of 4. It means that in this equation we put y to the power of 4 equals x square, and we put y square is equals to x, and we convert our equation into the quadratic form of x variable. So here our above equation becomes this is y to the power of 4 becomes x square, and y square is equals to x minus 1 equals to 0. So this will becomes here quadratic equation of x variable, and here you very well know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1. And we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now we substitute the values of a, b, and c here, and we get this is minus times of b. The value of b is minus 1, plus minus square root of b square. It is minus 1 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is minus 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And further in the next step we have x is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 1, plus minus square root of minus 1 square, minus 1 square becomes plus 1, and minus times of minus becomes plus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now in the next step we need more simplification here, and we get x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 becomes 5, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we move backward and we substitute the value of x here, as in the previous step we will take x is equals to y square. So we back substitute this value of x to the above equation, and our above equation is written as we break this value into the two cases. Here we write the positive value, it is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And now we substitute the value of x on both of these two cases. When you put this value here, we get y square is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And from here, when you put this value of x here, we get y square is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So first we focus on this case, and if we simplify the right hand side, so this will gives us the negative answer, and here the left hand side is y square, and y square be the perpendicular side of the given triangle. So this equation tells us that our perpendicular side becomes negative, but it is not possible that any side length of the given triangle is negative, because each side length will be the distance, and we know about that distance is always positive. It is not negative in any case. Okay, so if in this case perpendicular side is negative, this means that this is not possible. Perpendicular is negative, so that we rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And in this case we need to find the value of y, so for this we will take a square root on both of the sides, and further we have 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And now these 2 and square root are gone, and we get y is equals to, here you know that when we take square root on both of the sides, we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side, so we write it into the right hand side. So here again you see that if we choose the negative value, this means that any side length becomes negative, or base becomes negative, so it is not possible any side length of the given triangle is negative, so that we just neglecting the negative value, and we just choose here the positive value, and it is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the only one value of y which we get here from this method, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.